Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 50 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the Mad Max car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these 1/8 scale cars and build along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building one of these. So let's have a quick scope through this week's magazine and see what we're up to. Stage 50, we're doing the sway bar. It's positioned on the underside of the chassis and fixed in place. We're going to need our chassis. And this is where it's going on our Falcons, folks. Also want a pair of cutters as well, just to cut these two pieces off, okay? There's the sway bar going in place. You're going to then be securing that with a couple of screws. PS11s, will be joining them in. And we've got the pins going in as well in these little holes just to secure these wishbones, okay? Showing you there how to connect all the little rods together and then where all the little screws go, okay, folks? So keep your instructions handy and it will let you see what we're up to, okay? And this is what we're going to have at the end there. We're just starting now to tighten up the front suspension. Doing a bit more on the UK customising scene of the 1980s. That's the RS2000 Mark I Escort. Quality looking car there. Still see them about on the roads. And this is the 74 Escort 1300 on show at the Birmingham NEC Classic Motor Show. Yes. That's the magazine done, folks, okay? So we'll put that to one side. We'll come back. We'll get on and do a bit of assembly for you. Let's bring our chassis in. This sway bar is going to sit over it like so with these two pegs going through these ovals at the front like so. And then these are going in and we're going to be putting them pins in this little section, folks, okay? So that's where they're going to go. So let's grab one of those. Now they are knurled on one end. So you want the smooth end to go in first. Line it up then with the hole. And then we should then be able to slide these in. Like that. Do the same the other side. And then we'll use our grippers then just to nip them in place. Like so, that's the first one in. Do the same with the second one. Like so. That's them now in and locked in place. They can't go nowhere. I'm happy with that. So we can put them out of the way. We can now spin it up this way. And grab our PS11 screws. Let's grab them. Pop them in place. And that'll do the front struts then from this. And that'll bring them into situ. So let's just pop you in. Again, don't over tighten them. Because I want the suspension to work, basically. And also you are going into plastic and you don't want to break it. And you basically want it where this moves it. That's what you want. So that's them done. Let's spin you around. Part 50B is what we want first. So let's grab you. There's the left we want. So let's grab that. Let's get the cutters so that we know we got the correct one. 50B is going on this side. So to drop that straight over the head of the sway bar, you've got a peg and you've got a screw hole. Want the screw hole over the whole of the chassis, folks. Okay, let's just neaten that up. And we'll bring that into place as best as we can so you can see what I'm up to. We are right down there, folks, okay? There you go. Again, don't over tighten. And then we'll do the same with the other one. So let's grab that. Cut that off of that sprue. Discard the part we don't want. Put my cutters back. We'll then grab another screw. Pop a bit of oil on you. Pop, just like so. And then pop you in place then. Same process. Want the peg going in this little hole. And this one with the hole in for the screw the opposite side. There you go. And again, holding it with me thumb. You can then pop that screw in place right at the front there. Just like so. Like that. That's that in place. And that is that completed. So there you go, folks. That is that section done. So let's spin this up again so you can see what we've been up to. I've put the sway bar on with all the brackets going on there. Front mounts there. Pins in these wishbones so they all move, and we've obviously got a working steering rack going on. So we're going to leave it there. That's this issue done. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build one of these along with me, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic Partwork. Also, to help me out, if you can click little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.